Welcome to week 2 in module 2 titled Working with Financial Statements. I hope you've had a good kickoff to the course as you looked at chapters 1 and 2, getting an understanding of financial management and basic layout of different financial statements. This week we look at financial statements and really the analysis of those financial statements. The statements provide us information that's recorded through all the activities of the company throughout the time period, a month or a quarter or a year. That data is important only with what we can understand what it's telling us about the company. Did we make money? Are we increasing in our revenue? Are our expenses increasing or decreasing? So this chapter gives us some tools with which we can analyze that information. Basically, the analysis is taking today's data and comparing it with a different time period or a different standard. That time period might be last year or 5 years ago or last month. And the standard might be a goal that you set for the company, or the industry standard, or the industry averages for other companies in the industry, or it could be a specific company itself. Once we get that information and that analysis, that comparative between what happened in the past or with other companies, then we can make decisions based on what we want to accomplish in the future. Those decisions then help us to become profitable or expand the business, but it's all keyed on the analysis, understanding what the information is telling us. So that's really the meat of what this week is all about. As you dive in, there'll be a discussion question just like last week. I had a lot of great discussion that I read last week and really appreciate your input there. The discussion this week is related to those financial ratios that you'll be studying. The assignment is really an explanation of those ratios. So you have really one problem or question with multiple parts and really just looking for as broad of an explanation as you can give on each of those ratios. What does it include? Why is it important? And then submit that on a Word document. And then the last one is something different. We didn't do this last week, but this week you have a case study. So it gives you a story, a case, and then a couple questions for things to do and related to that. Make sure you show all your work on that. I want to see all of the inputs and then the calculation and how you came up with the answer. Again, hope you have a great week. If you have any questions, please reach out to me. I'd love to be able to help you. Thanks.